Welcome back. You may have noticed that the buy button code that's used inside of an affiliate network is very specific. It also comes with a specific graphical buy button. However, you may not want to use that buy button on your sales page because perhaps you have one that converts better. You want to be careful about going into the code and just using it as is because you want the affiliate to be credited for any sale that comes on that page, even if you choose to use your own buy button. Now, in the Warrior Plus network, there is a process. In every affiliate network, there's a process, and you'll have to determine what it's going to be. The Warrior Plus process is going to be that you're going to use the pixel only. What you're going to notice here is that there are going to be two pieces of code that you're going to place on your page. Warrior Plus states that you're going to need to copy one particular part of the code to place it at the top of your page, and that's going to be this part of the code. That code is going to be invisible, and you're going to place that in the header or someplace at the top of your page that won't be visible to your customer. And instead of the Warrior Plus buy button, what you're going to use is the Warrior Plus buy button code. You're going to place that on top of your own buy button. And so we can choose a buy button that we normally use on our own page. Perhaps we have one that our page builder uses. We can choose that buy button. What we're going to do is we're going to place that special link on the buy button area that we have determined is going to be the one we're going to use. And what we've done is we've used the buy button code that we're most comfortable with. At the same time, we've assured that the affiliate that sends us traffic will be credited for any sale as a result of customers that they send us. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.